Okay, in this video I'm going to be talking about how to enter trades using sell stop and buy stop. So let's take the first one. For example, let's say I want to enter this trade using sell stop. First thing first, I'm going to pick my sell, that's my short icon. So I'll click on that and then come to the level where I want the sell to start from, and then I'll just move this up. So it means that I want price. If price gets here, I expect it to continue coming down, right? That is what will keep me in profit. So that is what we mean by sell stop. If price gets there, you want it to continue coming down. And when you are doing buy stop too, you are saying that if price goes up to a certain level, then you want it to continue going up once price gets there. So don't panic, we're going to explain everything in a bit. So let's say here now, so whenever you pick your sell tool like this, there are three major values that you want to take note of. Now number one is this one right here. Number one is your stop loss. What's your stop loss? 33.3. Number two, you want to know your entry price, your stop loss, and then your take profits. These are the three major prices that you need to know. Everything we have here represents price of this currency. So once you have your entry price, that's 154.921, right? So and your stop loss is 33. Just like I explained in my previous video, your stop loss is 33. The next thing you want to do is, this is USD you want to go into your Forex calculator. So you want to go into your Forex calculator, click on the stop loss and then enter 33, and then enter 33.3, and then you click. So it is telling you to use 0.2 as your lot size. So what are we going to do? The next thing is for us to go into our MT4, which is this right here. Go into your MT4. First, you change your pair, your currency pair, using this icon right here. You use that one to change it to USD. Remember, swipe to the left if you are using MT4, but if you are using MT5, the swipe to the left doesn't work that way. It doesn't work. You have to click on open chart. So let's say we want to enter our value, then we need to click on this icon right here to place our trade. Then you click on it. Remember, we have 0.02, yes, as our lot size. Then you come here to this market execution and then you hit sell stop. So what does market execution mean? Market execution simply means that you want to buy in a case where you're already late and the price has already gotten to this level and you want to buy at this level. You just use market execution. That is, when you click, let's say you want to buy or sell here, now you just either hit the sell or you hit the buy, right? So you just either hit the sell immediately or you hit the buy. Then you set your stop loss and you take profits later so that you can benefit from that trade. But in this case now, we're going to be using sell stop. So I'll hit my sell stop. Remember, you double click. Once you double click, and then you can come here. What does this tell us? 155 to 54. No, that's our stop loss. I want to get my entry first. 154.921. So I can come here and hit 154.921. 154.921, and then I can just come here. My stop loss 155.254. Now it is very essential. 155.254. Now if you enter something that is not correct, this place will no longer be showing. It will fade off. That is, it means that you have entered an incorrect value. If you are seeing something like that, it means you have entered an incorrect value. The next thing I want to do is to check my take profits. my take profit, which is 154.507. Oh, no. 154, 154, 154.507. So once I'm done, the next thing you want to do, it's this place. Now whenever you enter a trade, always go and check. Can you see? This is where we see what is going on. The trade we have entered. Okay, the trade, is it active or not? So always go to the chart and check, right? So what I said here was that as price is like this now, if it comes down from here and it hits this line, what I'm telling market is that I'm expecting price to continue dropping, right? If price continues dropping as I expected, I'll be in profit. But if price comes down here and then goes up, maybe it drops a little bit and then it goes up like this, it means that I will lose that trade. That's just it. It means I will lose that trade. So it's as simple as that. So don't worry. If you are following the Fxdoc trading style, you wouldn't have issues with that. So if you are seeing this video and you are not yet on my group, you are not following me, ensure you follow me. It will make a lot of things easier for you. Now let's go back into our, so I'm going to close this trade first thing first. So in order for you to close a trade or you want to edit a trade, let me quickly talk about that. What you need to do is to swipe this forward. You can see these three icons. Click on the pencil icon. So let's say I want to change my stop loss. This is where we change stop loss. Can you see? You can put anything. And then you want to change your take profit. This is where you change it. Or let's say you want to close the trade. When you swipe it forward, you see this icon here, this one here. That's the one you should click. Just click on it. Can you see delete because the trade is not active? Let's say the trade is active and is in profit and I just want to cut everything out. That's the same thing I will click on, right? So it's as simple as that. Now let's go back into our trading view. So if you were to take a buy too, that is the same process that you need to follow when you want to take a buy. Let's say you want to do buy stop, right? Now look at this. When you double click on it, it can give you all the values such that all you just need to do is double click on it, you copy, and then you go and paste it in your MT4. Yeah, so you can just do that. Can you see the you can see the stop, you can see the entry. This is the take profit price, this is the entry price, and then this is your stop loss price. So you can just copy each one and go and put it where it's supposed to be. So let's quickly talk about buy stop as we round up. So let's say we want to do buy stop. Click on this and then you will see this bin icon at the top right here. So you click on that bin icon to remove it. So next is that I'm going to click on this buy right here. Click on the buy and then let's say I want to use buy stop. I'll click here and then yes. So in this case now, this becomes my stop loss, this is my entry, and then this is now my take profits, right? So you have these three right here. So what do you need to do? The same thing we did for the other one. Just click and you can either look at the values here or you can just double click, scroll up a bit so that you can see all the values. So what you just need to do is when you minimize and then you go into your MT4 as you are imputing, let me even do it so that you can see it. So let's say I want to buy, I want to use buy, and then I click on this buy stop. So if I want to impute these values now, all I just need to do is to minimize. Can you see? I can see everything here. Entry price 155.27, take profit level 155.803, and then stop loss. Like I can easily see everything right here. I can easily see everything right here. So I'll just come back to this guy and impute everything. So that's how you go about your buy stop and then sell stop. Follow my page, follow my YouTube channel, wherever it is you are seeing it. Just keep following. I'll be dropping more posts in this regard. Alright, so that will be all for now. See you in the next video.